Oh, it's gone. It's gone. It's gone. Just happened right now. Yeah, buddy.
That's crazy.
You know, it could happen to anybody. A few mistakes were made.
Did it slide?
You know, I witnessed the mistakes.
It's lit.
They put it way too deep in the water.
Oh.
And then by the time they just, you know.
I'm gonna put it in gear. Hold on.
Yeah, go ahead.
You good?
Oh, look at the trailer right there.
Dude, poor guys. Were they freaking out?
Yeah. I'll show you the video.
Those jet skis?
Those jet skis, yeah.